I said there were two ways to turn your existing landscape 16 by 9 video into a vertical video appropriate for use with shorts or TikTok and such. The second way, which is what I'm talking about today, is using this site here called Canva.com. I think many of you are familiar with Canva. It is probably, it's the market leader for online graphic design, but it's useful for this video function as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a moment, home screen. I hit create, and I want a mobile video, 1080 by 1920. Right, it's going to give me a blank palette, and then I'm going to upload the video that I want to change. And again, this method requires that you have not something else, that you have the file itself, which taking my video, I'm just going to drag it over here to the screen, and it'll take a minute to upload. I'll fast forward through this. Okay, so now that it's here, it's done something interesting to the. I can crop it or just put it into this. Mind that it's taller than it seems. I can crop this. Do I look normal there? Do I ever look normal? Is that you can add titles really easily now. By titles, I mean captions. So over here in the tools is captions. There it is. Captions. Boom. Okay, so now that captions have been generated, they're popping up over here. I can edit them. I haven't figured out how to adjust the timing on any of these, but it's all blocked. Pick what's a good hell? I want a hell-like font here. And do I want to do a little background on it? To it. That looks pretty good. Okay, now that I've cropped it and I've put my captions in, and I want to download it, and so you just go up here to where it says share and download. 1080p quality, that's what I want. Okay. Yeah, and that'll take a bit.